Congratulations on finding this video, because today I will be teaching you on how you can make $1,000 per day. Guess what? We will be using Google News for us to properly do this method. This works for everyone in the world, and it's one of the easiest ways to make money online. By the way, make sure to watch carefully and stay until the very end of this video so you can follow all the steps correctly without making any mistakes. After watching this video, I suggest you try this on your own because there's a saying that seeing is believing. This method has no selling and also no affiliate marketing. Also, we do not need any social media followers, we don't need to be an experienced or skilled person, we just need to copy and paste some text and then boom! We have earned some money! So what are we waiting for? Let's go out and have some fun! Drink some beer and go party all night! Nah, just kidding. So what are we waiting for? Let's roll the intro! But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. McMoney, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's go back to the video. So let's begin right here. So I will show you how you can use Google in order to get paid again and again. So all of this will quite literally require less than 30 minutes. First, before we go to the website, I want to make sure you will be getting your money and actually count it on your hand. First, you need to set up and have your very own PayPal account. So, go over to paypal.com and set up an entirely free account by clicking this button over here. After clicking it, your screen should look like this. Just fill up the details that PayPal is asking you and that is it. You actually made an account in PayPal. But, if you don't want to use PayPal, you can search for online banking in your country. You can apply for that and you can link that to the website that we're going to use for today. In any case, PayPal is not available in your country or you don't want to use PayPal, then I will show you how you can select other payment options as well. So if you don't want to push through with PayPal, you can select different payment options like a bank transfer that is available in your country. Anyways, let's begin with step number 1. Come over to google.com. Step number 2, you want to search for Google News. Once you search for Google News, I want you to open on the first official website, news.google.com. But before we continue the tutorial, I just have a quick interruption for you guys. I just want to ask where my viewers are from because I know that those money-making online websites are sometimes not available in your country. And that is why I want to make a video that is specifically available in your country. So tell me in the comments down below where you guys are from. Now let's go back. This is a place where you can find the latest news and the latest articles on all topics around the world. So it's like a newspaper. You can find everything in here. News about politics, about business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, history, and whatever you can think of, you can find it on this website. Stay tuned until the very end so you can earn your PayPal money successfully. You will see exactly how this works. So here, on the left-hand side, you have all the categories. We have news about the world, local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. This is about what's happening in the world right now. For us to maximize our earnings, we need to focus on specific categories. So you simply want to focus only on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and most importantly, health. You can see, for example, if I select the health category, that is going to give me all of the latest news and all of the latest articles related to health. So let's scroll and let's find something interesting in here. So I'm interested in this article which was uploaded recently and it's a really good article that a lot of people would click on. So what you need to do is open up one article, okay? Don't worry. You don't need to write articles and don't worry because you don't have to sell anything. This has nothing to do with affiliate marketing and CPA marketing or whatsoever. All you really need to do is open up that article, and you just want to start copying text from that particular article. For example, I will copy this right here, and I will proceed to step number 3. Proceed to the next website that we will be using, which is spinbot.com. Here, you will need to paste that article which we found on Google News. Spinbot rewrites the entire article for you. In that way, the article that you paste will look like your own words. You will be using those articles on 3 more additional websites which I am going to share with you. Those websites will pay you for those articles that you will upload. Some of them are literally going to pay you $1 per word. As you can see, those articles have sometimes thousands of words and you can just do the math. Anyways, once you've found the article, just paste that text in this box right here. You want to scroll a little bit down and then click this button right here that says I am human, and you will just need to click go. Now that's going to rewrite the entire article for you. As you can see, the context is pretty much the same, but it's using different words, different phrases, different terminologies. It is using synonyms and it's writing in your own words. So you can copy that unique article and you can use the next 3 websites to get paid for those articles. The first website that we will be using is eatingwell.com. Again, it is eatingwell.com. So on eatingwell.com, you can submit your own articles. You can write articles for this website and get paid for doing that. Now, instead of you doing all the hard work of writing those articles for days, you can simply use Google News and Spinbot to create unique and high quality articles. In that way, they will pay you up to $1 per word. So this is the first website and I have 2 more for you. So just stay until the very end because I want to share those 2 websites for you to maximize your earnings and explore your options. And you will not just expect your earnings in one website. So just on this website, you can get paid up to $1 per word, which means if you get an article with 1,000 words, that can be up to $1,000. And just read any article you want, and it only takes less than 30 minutes to copy and paste. Now, how do you actually submit your article so you can get paid here on this page? You will just need to scroll a little bit down below until you can find the section where you can find their contact information. So you can just copy their email address. Go to your email and just compose. Write in the subject line telling them about your submission or article submission or something along those lines, and just attach the file with your own article, which you just created. When you send out that email, they will receive it, and if they like it, they will ask you for your payment details. After that, just tell them your payment details, and if you want to get paid through PayPal, you will only tell them your PayPal email address. If you want to get payment through bank transfer, you just leave your bank details, and same goes to the other payment methods. Your options are endless because of the new articles in Google News that are coming in every couple of hours. So you can use those articles every time and anywhere you want. Rewrite them with Spinbot and paste them in a Word document. Save it in your computer and submit it to these websites. So the first one where you can submit your articles is again eatingwell.com, but you can also submit articles on sierraclub.org. In order to submit your articles on this website, you just have to follow these instructions over here. You simply need to email them at this email address right here. So you can just copy this and go over to your email. Paste the contact details, and in the subject line, just type in submission and just submit your article now with Sierra Club. With sierraclub.org, you will not only be able to submit health and fitness articles like you did with Eating Well, but you will need to find something related to technology or science. So open up an article from the category of science, then copy its text and paste it to Spinbot. Let them rewrite it for you and submit it over to sierraclub.org's email address. Now, the third and last website where you can submit your articles is over at daily.jstor.org. Again, it's daily.jstor.org. You can go over to their submission guidelines and you can read more about how it works with this website, and they will pay you a little bit less money. But it's still a good one to use because you can earn some additional income and maximize your results with this strategy. The great thing about this website is that they will ask you for only up to 2,000 words and they will pay you around 0.31 cents per word. So again, it's not as high as the previous two websites, but it's still decent at $0.31. On average, $0.31 per word is not bad at all because it will quickly add up. The more articles you submit on these websites, the more money you will be able to make. Of course, not every single article will get accepted, but even if you get one article per day, that is still hundreds of dollars, if not up to $1,000 a day, just by copying and pasting some articles. It is all absolutely free and you do not have to wait around. You can immediately get started with this strategy once again, and let's summarize everything, okay? You need to go over to Google, go to Google News, select the category from the left-hand side, select the article that you like to open, copy its text, and use Spinbot to make it unique and submit it. You can do this again and again for an unlimited time and collect some decent amount of money, and that's how you can make money using Google News. And that is it for today's video! If you learned something or liked the video, it would be great if you smash down below the subscribe button and make sure to click the notification bell. If you have any suggestions, comments, or questions, just leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.